So, welcome. This is Carter Mac Valley, and today I want to start a kind of a project where I'm attempting to solve all the 480 Project Euler problems on Free Code Camp. Now, first things first, I suck at programming, so I'm not particularly good in it, but there is this interesting phenomenon on Project Euler. If you can see, this is the whole area on Free Code Camp, and it goes down to 480 problems, and it's based on a website called projectorder.net, and it's a series of over 900 challenges nowadays, where the sole purpose is to complete the challenges using mathematical algorithms and programming algorithms. And if we can see here, if we click on a random challenge, we can see that the main language used in Free Code Camp is JavaScript. And the specialty about Project Euler, if we click on statistics, if we click on languages and search for JavaScript, not a single fucking person on this whole website uses JavaScript to solve these problems. So I guess I'm gonna be the first one. So let's start with the first one right now. So the sum of primes below 10 is. Oh, that's not the first one. That's the first one. If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiplies of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of these multiplies is 23. Find the sum of all the multiplies below, of 3 or 5 below the provided parameter value number. So pretty easy, I guess. Let me just let sum and oh, it's not Java, it's JavaScript. So we simply check, is it divisible by 3 or is it divisible by 5? And if yes, we are going to increment it by I, increment the sum by I, and if not, we're not going to increment it or increment it by 0. Let's check if this runs. I hope it runs. Well, that was bad. So this one didn't work, this one worked. Okay, this is interesting. Below the provide. Okay, I see. Now it should work. And it's done. So, this was an easy one, of course, but if we can see Project Order, If we scroll down to the last one, this one, read this. Consider all the words which can be formed by selecting letters in any order from the phrase blah blah blah. There is as yet insufficient data for a meaningful answer. Suppose those with 15 letters or less are listed in alphabetical order and numbered sequentially starting at 1. The list would include blah 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 blah. And you have to find this word at this position. Basically, not only doing permutations, not only selecting up to 15 characters from this one and ordering all the possible selections in a total order, but also selecting from 1 to 15 letters and adding all those up and doing in a total order. I am not sure how I'm going to pass it or whether I'm going to pass it, but that is still far in the future. So, let's see how long this project goes, if I'm going to make it or if I'm not going to make it. And I'm very happy if you stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.